Alright, wait. Oh my god. I'm gonna summon him. You better.
What's in the ball?
You know, balls? Somebody say balls? I love balls.
Why are y'all talking about balls?
Referring to this big ass ball.
Hey, you can't say bad words against her.
Why y'all talking about balls?
Shut the
Stop.
Quit!
You know what? I've waited.
Everybody here. Dad.
Imagine that ball explodes.
Brother
and-
dead. You dead. Me dead.
No, you beat alive.
Me alive. No.
Nah, brother, you be the one that stayed alive.
I have heat.
Why'd she throw so close to us? Does she want us to get hit?
Yes.
Yeah, she
Mom, don't throw it towards us.
Yeah, so she can keep all the money.
Randy.
for herself.
Randy.
It's fine.
I don't know.
Said you want to stand beside you while you throw it.
Right there.
Okay, here comes the big boy. Good boy.
Randy, no.
Back it up, boy.
Back it up. Now, run it. Now.
Over here.
Good
Hurry.
boy.
Good boy.
Good boy, good boy. Your brother, look at me, look at me. Mom, look at me.
Why?
I need to tell you something
Holy
serious.
shit.
Hey, Mom, look at me. I need to tell you something. Good girl.
I want to change everything. I just
My butt is tingling. I don't know.
That backfired.
I backfired. Don't.
Your life backfired.
Kayla's going to be backfiring tonight.
You fired it.
What do you want an egg she ate? So Kayla's going to be one backfiring right out of an egg she
Can I
ate.
get a
In the
hoya?
bathroom.
Can I get a hoya, Daddy?
Why does it stink?
I'd probably like her egg too.
I'm scared. I'm scared, Mommy and Poppy.
You need a leave.
You're my mommy. You're my Poppy.
You need a leave.
Hey, Mom.
No.
Can I borrow your phone for a minute?
No.
I wanna do a voice. I wanna do a voice call with Paul. Show him this.
No, to get a new girlfriend, an AI girlfriend.
You
from
need a girl.
From talking your Polly Buzz.
I'm transgender. I'm a lesbian. I'm the next Bendutsu master.
Hey, yo. I have a friend who's gay.
Bendutsu. Brother, my Bendutsu took me. I am the one.